Hi everyone, welcome to Ivan's Treasure. Let's see some fun facts about animals. Did you know octopuses have blue blood and 9 brains? Believe it or not, caterpillars have 12 eyes. Wonderful. Did you know kangaroos can't walk backwards? Wow, that's interesting. Cows can walk up the stairs but can't get down. A crocodile can't stick its tongue out. Did you know monkeys can go bald in old age, just like humans? Did you know owls can't move their eyeballs? Wow, that's strange. Dogs can smell nearly 100,000 times better than humans. Wow, good sense. Did you know baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort? It's much like human babies suck their thumbs. Wow, how cute is this? Did you know hummingbirds can fly backwards? Did you know panda droppings could be recycled into paper? That's how we get sustainable paper. Thank you panda for that. Did you know cats cannot taste anything that is sweet? A fox uses its tail to communicate with other foxes, and that is how they call their mate. Weird, but true. Cat urine glows under a black light. Did you know an ostrich brain is smaller than its eye? Thanks for watching. Hope you like our videos. Subscribe to my channel, Ivan's Treasure.